FX Nation, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. And today we're going to be talking about a topic that is often discussed in the Forex trading world, the high failure rate of traders. It's well known that the majority of Forex traders fail, with some estimates putting the failure rate at over 90%. But why is this the case? So in this video, we're going to explore the reasons why so many Forex traders fail and what you can do to avoid becoming part of this statistic. So first of all, let's define what we mean by failure in the context of Forex trading. So failure in Forex trading can mean many different things to different people. But generally speaking, it refers to a trader who is unable to consistently make profits and achieve their trading goals. Now, this could be because they're losing money. It could also be because they're not making enough money to meet their financial needs, or they're not making as much money as they had hoped. So now let's talk about why so many Forex traders fail. So there's going to be several reasons for this, and it's important to understand them if you want to avoid becoming part of the 90% of traders who fail. So the first reason is going to be lack of education and training. So Forex traders need to have a good understanding of the markets and trading techniques in order to be successful. And many traders may not necessarily educate themselves and, better yet, train themselves how to trade the markets correctly. Another reason is unrealistic expectations. So many Forex traders or even day traders may have an unrealistic expectations about how much money they can make and may be unprepared for the risk and challenges of day trading. This is not easy to do, guys. No matter what you see online on Instagram, on TikTok, or whatever, this is not an easy career. This is a very difficult career. So understand that a lot of us, when we first started out, me included, had very unrealistic expectations, and we didn't know what the hell we were really getting into. The third reason is over leveraging their accounts. So most of Forex day traders may use too much leverage, which can magnify their losses and increase their risk of margin calls. So over leveraging the account, this is something that retail traders have been doing forever and years. And no matter what we end up doing, we find ourselves in situations where we're over leveraging our account. A lot of times we seek to find Forex brokers or brokers in general that provide high leverage. And that essentially gets us into trouble because it gives us more buying power. But at the same time, if we don't know what we're doing, if we don't know how to manage the risk, then we're going to be in big trouble. So another reason is trading without stop losses. Okay, so many Forex traders do not use stop loss orders to manage the risk, which obviously can lead to significant losses if the market moves against them. I don't understand this of why so many traders right now do not use stop losses. Like, you do understand the concept of trading is to make money. You cannot make money if you don't have any money to trade. Another part is failing to accept that they're going to lose trades. You have to understand, guys, that everyone loses trades. I don't care how good you are. Nobody's going to have 100% win rate. If somebody tells you they have 100% win rate, they are lying to you. Just call them out on their BS. Nobody has 100% win rate. It does not happen. Institutions don't have 100% win rate, and they control the freaking market. So how is it possible for retail to have 100% win rate? Lack of discipline. Now, this is This comes more with lack of discipline and consistency, because Forex traders or day traders in general may be impulsive and inconsistent in their trading, which can lead to poor performance and potential losses. Okay, so a lack of discipline is going to cause you to be part of the 90%. So these are just 6 specific things that will cause day traders, Forex traders in general, retail traders to fail, to be part of the 90%. Please make sure that you are not doing any of these things. Get yourself educated, get actual training. Don't have unrealistic expectations. Be realistic about how long this is actually going to take to do. To become a lawyer, how many years do you have to go to college? To become a doctor, how many years do you have to go to college? It doesn't happen in 6 months. It doesn't happen in a year. This process takes years. It takes years to develop, to master the craft. And no matter how many years you do it, you're not going to get to a point where you've mastered it 100%, because for obvious reasons, you're going to take losses. But to be good at this for an extended period of time, you have to remember that if you're doing this for your career, you're expected to be doing this for the next 10, 20, 30 years. So have realistic expectations. If you know what you're doing, guys, get with an actual real broker that's regulated, where they won't give you the leverage, so you don't have to worry about over leveraging your account. Don't go to these brokers that are giving you 3,000 to 1 leverage, 1,000 to 1 leverage. That doesn't make any sense. 100 to 1 leverage, 50 to 1 leverage, that's enough leverage for you to make some money. You just got to have capital to actually trade. If you don't have the capital to trade, then obviously there's different options that you can take with getting a prop firm to give you their money. But at the end of the day, no matter what, you still need to know how to trade. If you're trading without stop losses, stop it. Don't do that. Accept the fact that you're going to have trades that are losing trades, even if you have all of the confirmations that your strategy provides or whatever setup you're looking for. Even if you have all the confirmations that are there, you're still going to have losses even on perfect setups. And that's okay. And keep it disciplined. Don't lose the lack of discipline. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this particular video. I hope it brought you some value and some insight as to why most day traders fail. Have a good rest of your week. Trade safe. Enjoy the weekend, and we will see you in the next video. Hey guys, what's up? Just wanted to make a quick video. If you've ever thought about joining our mentoring program, this is the time to do it. We have decided to extend out the sale through December 31st. So you get a whole nother month to be able to get in on this masterclass at 50% off of the entire mentorship program. All right, this will never happen again. So this is the time. If you've always wanted to join the mentoring program, which is a lifetime membership, this would be the time. The links are in the video description, guys. I hope to see you in the mentoring program.